What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here, and we're about to solve by completing the square. And this is gonna be dope. I like to have some colors ready, all right? We got a lot of colors here. Let's get after it. Let's get going. First things first, I want my x's on one side, and I want that 7 on the other. How am I gonna do that mathematically? Well, I'm gonna subtract 7 on both sides, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna have x squared minus 14x, and then I'm gonna have a plus blank. I'm gonna tell you about that in a little bit here. Equals -7 plus, you guessed it, blank. Now I gotta figure out what the heck goes in that blank spot right there. And here's how we do it. I'm gonna take this -14 right here and do a little bit of side math, okay? Everybody likes a little side math, you know, it's a little bonus math in the original math problem. I'm gonna take that -14. I'm gonna divide it by 2, okay? I'm gonna square that bad boy. Now I'm gonna do the math in here and I'm gonna show you. -14 divided by 2, that's -7. Squared still, right? And that's 49. So I need to add 49 to both sides, okay? Now, here's the thing. I could have added anything I wanted to both sides of this problem, and it would remain equivalent, right? I could have added 178 or 3,752,000 if I wanted, but it ain't going to serve me no purpose. There's only one number that's going to help me out here in this next step, and that number is 49. So 49, if I look at that left-hand side, what multiplies to 49 and adds to -14? That'd be -7 and -7, right? So I could have, if I'd like, and I'll jot it down like that for right now, I could have x minus 7 and x minus 7 equals -7 plus 49. That's 42 right there. But pretty sure I could write this as x minus 7 quantity squared equals 42. Yes, I can. And now what can I do from this situation right here? I can use a great solving technique, dogs. I can use a great solving technique. I can square root on both sides, get rid of that little squared thing right there. You know what I'm saying? The little exponent that's squared. I'm going to square root on both sides. Now, when I do that, you got to be careful. You got to remember. I'm going to have x minus 7, but it equals plus or minus the square root of 42. Okay? Got to have that plus or minus there when I'm solving using square roots because there's two potential solutions that we have. Now I can add 7 on both sides. X equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 42. Now you might be like, are we done? Are we done? I'm tired, man. I'm out of breath. I need a break. We're not done yet, okay? I got to take that square root of 42. Do a little more side math, if you will, all right? I'm going to switch to blue. Okay, square root of 42. Can I break this down into prime factors? Yes. I can divide this by 2, and then I got 21. Okay, divide this by 2. But I can't do that. What am I thinking? How about 3? Woo! 7. That's a quick save right there. It's been a long day. All right. Can I do any more? No. So I got 2, I got 3, I got 7. Do I have any pairs here? I don't have any pairs. So we are, in fact, at this step right here, done because I cannot break this down. If I had some pairs, I'd take them out, make a nice simplified radical because that's apparently what we do in math. But since I cannot break this one down, that's my final answer. We are done with solving by completing the square. That was dope.